Hello and welcome to the News on Map World Series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be covering topics which are important from General Studies Paper 1, that is Geography Map section. So first of all, let us begin with the previous session question, and which was, which of the following countries shares borders with Kazakhstan, China, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan? And the options are Iran, Kyrgyzstan, Afghanistan or Turkmenistan. So let us look at the answer. So if we will talk about the country Kyrgyzstan, as Kyrgyzstan is the correct answer. So this is the map of Kyrgyzstan, which is a Central Asian country, and this Central Asian country has gained independence from the Soviet Union in the year 1991 when the disintegration of the Soviet Union took place. So the surrounding countries of Kyrgyzstan is, on its north is Kazakhstan, on its west is Uzbekistan, on its south west is Tajikistan, then on its southern side is China. So these are the countries which are surrounding the countries Kyrgyzstan, that is Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan and China. So Kazakhstan, China, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. So the correct answer becomes option B, that is Kyrgyzstan. Now moving on to today's session, the first question talks about, now look at this. This country is the second largest economy in Southeast Asia. This country is India's largest trading partner in Southeast Asia after Singapore, Indonesia and Malaysia. This country recently signed a MOU with India to develop a National Maritime Heritage Complex at Lothal. The above statements are related to which country? Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia or Singapore. So there are hints which are given in this answer. Question is that the second largest economy, India's largest trading partner, MOU with India to develop a National Maritime Heritage Complex at Lothal. Correct answer for this is Thailand. And if we will look at the surrounding countries of Thailand, so that is Myanmar, Laos, then comes Cambodia, and also you have Malaysia. Now coming on to the news. So Thailand is not the largest but the second largest economy in the Southeast Asia, and the largest economy in the Southeast Asia is Indonesia. So one of the points became clear, and there is a joint declaration which has been signed to establish a strategic partnership between India and Thailand. And Thailand is India's fourth largest trading partner after Singapore, Indonesia and Malaysia. So fourth largest trading partner. Now India and Thailand have agreed to enhance cooperation in the sector of defense and advanced technology, especially in the areas of the outer space, and they have signed MOU on cooperation in digital technologies and also with regard to development of National Maritime Heritage Complex at Lothal, and also an MOU on micro, small and medium enterprises. Then India has also signed a MOU with Vietnam for the development of National Maritime Heritage Complex at Lothal. So the correct answer is option A, that is Thailand. So it is the second largest economy, yes, because the largest is Indonesia, India's largest trading partner in Southeast Asia after Singapore, Indonesia and Malaysia. It means the fourth largest trading partner, and MOU for development of the National Maritime Heritage Complex at Lothal. So this becomes correct. Answer is Thailand. Now coming on to the second question, and that is, the Bhasan Char Island is located in which of the following countries? Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan or Myanmar? Let us look at this. So the correct answer is Bangladesh, and it is situated at the southern Bangladesh. This is the location of the Bhasan Char Island in Bay of Bengal, southern Bangladesh. Now the Bhasan Char, or the floating island, because it is not completely associated with the mainland Bangladesh, it is also known as a floating island, also known as the Char Pia, and it is an island in Bangladesh. Then it was discovered 20 years ago and no evidence of any habitation was found on it. So habitation is not present there. And this island was formed 2 decades ago from Himalayan silt at the mouth of the Meghna river. So you need to remember the name of the river, and that is the Meghna river. Now the island, which was once regularly submerged by monsoon rain, has flood protection, embankments, homes, hospitals and mosque built by Bangladesh Navy at the cost of more than 112 million. But as of now, the habitation is not present there. So the Bhasan Char island is present in the Bangladesh. So the correct answer becomes option A, Bangladesh. Next question. Uzbekistan does not share its border with which of the following countries? Does not. So it is asking does not share its border with. So that is options are Kazakhstan, Iran, Afghanistan, Azerbaijan, Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan. So choose the correct option, that is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 2 and 4 and 3 and 6. Now coming on to the country Uzbekistan. Now Uzbekistan is a Central Asian country. It is a Central Asian country and it is a completely landlocked country. It is a completely landlocked country. So if we will talk about Uzbekistan, so this is Uzbekistan, and now talking about the bordering countries of Uzbekistan. On the north is Kazakhstan, on the south is Turkmenistan, then there is Afghanistan, Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan. Now these are the countries which are surrounding or which are bordering the Uzbekistan: Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan. So Kazakhstan, yes. Afghanistan, yes. Tajikistan, yes. Kyrgyzstan, yes. Iran and Azerbaijan, no. They are situated at a great distance from Uzbekistan. So Uzbekistan does not share border with 2 and 4, that is Iran and Azerbaijan. Now which one is 2 and 4? 1 and 2, no. 3 and 4, no. 2 and 4, yes. So the correct answer becomes option C. Now coming on to the next question. Consider the following pairs. On one side dispute is given and on the next side country is given. So that is Parasil Islands, China, Taiwan, Vietnam. Scarborough Shoal, China, Philippines. Senkaku Island, India, China. Which of the above pairs is or are correctly matched? So that is only 1 and 2, only 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. So let us look at the Parasil Island. So if we will talk about the Parasil Island, so this is a Parasil Island is a chain of island. It is present in the South China Sea, and the countries which are involved in the dispute is China, Vietnam and Taiwan. So China, Vietnam and Taiwan. So that is correct. And the next pair comes is Scarborough Shoal, that is China and Philippines. And Scarborough Shoal always remains in news, and one of the important points is it is also situated in the South China Sea, and it is the dispute is between China and Philippines, and this is also one of the regions where you will always hear news that China's Navy and Philippines Navy have hit each other. So Scarborough Shoal, China and Philippines is correct. Next comes the Senkaku Island, India and China. Now coming on to the Senkaku Island. Senkaku Island is present in the East China Sea, and it is not a dispute between India and China. It is a dispute between China and Taiwan. So this is Senkaku Island. It is a dispute between China, Taiwan, and you can also say Japan. So India and China, no, it is not there. We have to talk about the correctly matched pair. Only 1 and 2, only 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. First is correct, second is correct. So the correct answer becomes option B, that is only 1 and 2. Now coming on to the next question. Consider the following statements. There are 4 statements given. So the 4 statements is, it is the world's largest island located in the North Atlantic Ocean. World's largest island. Next, major mountain range include the Watkins Range and the Stonington Alps. Third is, more than 80% of its land area is covered with snow throughout the year. More than 80%. Fourth is, it is an autonomous territory with self-governance and its own parliament. Which of the following places is best described by the above statement? That is Iceland, Greenland, Svalbard or Faroe Islands. So these are the 4 statements. On the basis of these statements, you have to find out the answer, as these 4 statement works as a hint for you. And I would say the first statement is the biggest hint. The correct answer is Greenland. If we will talk about the area of the Greenland, then it is the world's biggest island. The world's biggest island is Greenland, was very much in news because of the president of the America. So it is the world's largest island located in the North Atlantic Ocean. So this is Greenland, and this area is the North Atlantic Ocean. Major mountain ranges includes Watkins Range and the Strongens Alps. So if we talk about the major ranges, then it is the Watkins Range and the Strongen Alps. Then the climate is Arctic and more than 80% ice is there, or it is covered with snow. Then it serves as an autonomous region under the Kingdom of Denmark. So it comes under the Kingdom of Denmark, and the self-government is there, and they have their own parliament also. So autonomous territory, yes. Self-governance, yes. Own parliament, yes. Fourth becomes correct. World's largest island located in the North Atlantic Ocean, correct. Major mountain range, Watkins Range and Strongen Alps, correct. More than 80% of it is covered with snow, correct. So all these hints points towards option B, and that is Greenland. Next question. That is, consider the following statements regarding the term Global South. So there are 3 statements given. First, the Brent line. The Brent line separates the economically developed global north from the developing global south at approximately 30° north latitude. The global south generally includes countries in the Latin America, Asia, Africa and Oceania. Then comes the absence of a UN Security Council mandate does not affect the legitimacy of global south led peacekeeping mission. So it is saying that the UN Security Council absence will not make any impact. How many of the above statements are correct? Only 1, only 2, all 3 or none? So let us look at it. So if we will divide the global north from the global south, and India talks about being the leader of the global south, then it is the Brent line, and it is at the 30 degrees that it separates the global north from the global south. And global north are basically the developed countries, and global south are basically the developing and the least developed countries. And you can very clearly see the countries of the Latin America, Africa, South Asia and also Oceania. Then coming on to the Brent line separates the economically developed global north from the developing global south at approximately 30° north latitude. That is correct. Now next is the global south generally includes countries in Latin America, Asia, Africa and Oceania. That is also correct. And third one is very, very factual also, that if the absence of the UN Security Council mandate does not affect, it will affect. The UN, that is the United Nations Security Council absence, will affect the mandate and the legitimacy of the global south led peacekeeping missions. It is very, very obvious, and it is, I would say out of these 3, this was the easiest one, and by elimination you can very easily solve this question. So first is correct, second is correct and third one is wrong. So the correct answer becomes option B, that is only 2. Coming on to the next question. Consider the following statements. There are 3 statements given. It is a coral atoll and the largest island of the Chagos archipelago, located 7 degrees south of the equator. Next, it was leased to the United States and the United Kingdom and later became a military base. This is the most important point and the point through which you should be able to get to the answer. Third, it played an important role in the Gulf War, the Iraq and the Afghanistan wars and the post 9/11 operations, highlighting the strategic importance of the Indo-Pacific region. Which of the following places best matches the above description? Diego Garcia, Maldives, Seychelles or Mauritius? Correct answer is the Diego Garcia. Now going by the map, this is the map of the Indian Ocean, and if we will talk about the Chagos Island, then this is the location of the Chagos Island in the Indian Ocean. So it is a coral atoll and the largest island of the Chagos archipelago, that is the Diego Garcia, and located 7 degrees south of the equator. It was leased to the US and Britain in the year 1967 and turned into a military base in the year 1986. And in the year 2024, that is last year, the United Kingdom has agreed to transfer the sovereignty of the Chagos Islands to Mauritius, while retaining control of the military base on Diego Garcia. Now, Diego Garcia military base is under UK, but now the sovereignty has been given to Mauritius. So, the correct answer of this question becomes option A, that is Diego Garcia. Now, coming on to the practice question, and like always, you people will give me the answer in the comments section. So, the question is, consider the following pairs. On one side, place is given, on the other side, country is given. That is island of Crete, that is Greece, Saging, that is Myanmar, Nusantara, that is Indonesia. So these are the 3 pairs. How many of the above pairs are correctly matched? So that is only 1, only 2, all 3, none of these. And like I always say, you need to go look at the locations, pick up your atlas, see the map, and then give me the answer in the comments below. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.